What happened?
We got free mulch.
Free mulch? We weren't expecting it to come today,
No,
but it came today.
That's okay. It was free. So our goal is to get the mud under control, one.
We have a lot of bare spots where the grass isn't growing.
On the garden beds, on the outside we have some trees that we would like to just mulch that area. So yeah, let's get to shoveling.
Let's do it.
What are you doing? For now, what we're gonna do is just clean off the blackberry bushes and then put mulch down just to maintain the muddiness. My dream would have a retaining wall here, and maybe in the summertime that could be a project we work on, and just make like a walkway, and then that loops to the other side of the house. But so far, we've mulched in between all of the garden beds and the pathway to get into our backyard and along the street side. So today we're going to work on this hot mess.
So we've made a big dent in the mulch pile. We're getting closer, and I think we're gonna use it all, and we're gonna have places we can put even more on top of. So it's really worked out. We have a lot of logs though it came with. Probably cut them down, maybe make fires out of them. It could be decorative in a way.
Yeah.
And put them in certain areas.
Even just cut them up into pieces and make it like a border along the fence line or something like that. I think that would be nice. So we finished the mulch.
We did it.
It looks really good, and
It's working really well.
it solved a few of our issues. We utilized all of it too, so that's great. We do have some logs as well still. We have to figure out what we're gonna do with, but other than that, worked out pretty great.
It looks great. We got all the way around the house too.
Yeah, I would do it again.
I would definitely do it again. I think
Cool.
it was worth it. Just a little elbow grease, and you get your whole yard mulched and more, really.
Yeah,
So we double layered a lot of spots. And it really helps. It's going to help all spring. Also, just kind of mulches the yard for us with fertilizer, because it's going to act like a fertilizer too.
yeah. So,
All right.
looks good.
Well, thanks for watching.
See you in the next one.
See you in the next one.